All right, so we are asked to add and then simplify. So whenever we add rationals, we need to get common denominators. So in this case, our denominators are y minus 5 and y minus 2. This is a case where I need to multiply each fraction by the other denominator. So in this case, I'm going to multiply this one by y minus 2 on top and bottom. This one I'm going to multiply by y minus 5. So now let's rewrite it. I will have 7 times y minus 2 plus 4 times y minus 5 over y minus 2 times y minus 5. Now let's simplify. So I'm going to distribute. So I will get 7y minus 14 plus 4y minus 20 all over y minus 2 times y minus 5. So 7y plus 4y is 11y. Negative 14 minus 20 is negative 34 over y minus 2 times y minus 5. Now that cannot be factored anymore, so that is going to be your final answer.